Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add a Fibonacci level on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader software, then go to the pen. Okay, click on it and click on Fibonacci retracement. And as you can see here, this is my Fibonacci. And let's add another level. So let's say we will add the 88% level. Okay, so just click on the Fibonacci 2 times and scroll down until you see here levels and move your mouse on here. I will see edit price levels. Click on it, and as you can see, these are the levels. Click on add, and as you can see, this is the level we added. Click on it just one time, and here type the level you want. So let's say 88.6, I think. And you can choose the color you want. So let's say red. Okay. Then click on OK. Then after that, you must click on template. Okay. Then click on save. Because if you don't click on template, the next time you will add your Fibonacci, you won't see the new level, the 88.6 level. Okay, I think that you get the idea. So click on default and click on save as default. Click yes and click on apply. And as you can see here, this is our level. So click on OK. And now let's remove this one and let's add another one to see if that level is now on default. So click on Fibonacci retracement, and as you can see, that level is now here, 88.6. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.